Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful light up centerpiece for your table. What I love about this centerpiece is it's versatile. You can use this for any holidays, for weddings or any special occasions. So if you're interested in making one, keep watching. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need a Dollar Tree bowl, and this is plastic. You will not be needing the cover at all. You're going to need some flowers. I love these flowers. So these are not Dollar Tree flowers. You can use Dollar Tree flowers. You do have smaller size like these at Dollar Tree. You can, but I feel like you're going to get your money's worth and you get extra. Look at how many extra pieces on here, little small pieces on here. What we're going to do is we're going to be taking these off of the stem, and then we're going to be gluing it to this bowl here. And that's the reason why I said it's worth the money, because Dollar Tree, they don't have that much stems and flowers on theirs. It's little, and you don't want to be buying like 5-10 of them just to fill up this bowl here. So it's just best for you to go ahead and just get yourself, or go to Joann's and get yourself some of these flowers. Like I said, catch the sale, guys, or use the coupons. That's what I do, and you save yourself a lot of money. So you can use whatever flowers you want, your preference, your choice. But these are the flowers I'm going to use, as well as you're going to need some lights. Now, I purchased these a long time ago from Target. I purchased it like a year ago, last Christmas, and I never really used it. So I'm going to put it to use this year. And I purchased these from Target. You can get yourself any fairy lights if you want as well. I just happen to want to use these ones just because it's been lying around and I need to use the stuff that I have now. Instead of wasting money and buying more stuff, I'm just going to use what I have here. So that's what I'm going to use. Okay guys, you can go ahead and add the flowers to the bowl. I'm going to go ahead and pick these off, and I'm just going to pick them off I'm not going to rip on them. I'm just going to do it very gentle. Twist it a little bit, because you don't want to rip these, you know. I'm going to go just do the glue gun, put them very low heat, and then I'm going to put it on, glue on the flower, and then put it on the plastic. Please do not put it on the plastic, directly on the plastic, because it's possible it might burn through, guys. You don't want no hole in there. So my advice is to put it on the flower first, and then you put it on the bowl. Excuse my messy glue gun. You can tell I've been using it for a while. Adding these to it. Make sure, guys, that you lay these, like fold them up. Make sure there's nothing, like you can see any of the plastic underneath there. And cover every spot, okay? So far, this is what I did to the bowl. And try to those layers. Okay guys, this is what you should have so far. So I did the whole entire bowl on the outside. What we're gonna do is just add some more at the top of here and fill these all out. Top part, just like this. Okay. With your glue gun. Okay, and go ahead and fill all the way around. Okay guys, you should have it all filling like so. Go ahead and get your lights, and then you can put it inside of there, okay? But we're not gonna just drop it inside of there. We kind of tape it up in the corners of the bowl. So let me just show you. See how it is? It's like this. I'm gonna tape it up, some of them up, and then some of them are gonna be down at the bottom as well. And some of them are going to be up like this, and some's going to be at the bottom. That way it can get effect. The light can shine through the top and the bottom part. Okay, so now guys, it should look like this. I didn't take this down, I just left it like this just in case I need to turn on the light. But I just, all I did was just tape things in place. That's all I did. I got these, and I have to sit the flower. So I try not to make it cover my lights. So you can get these from Dollar Tree. These are foam board. I'll do that in a minute. So now I went and made me some ribbons right here. I am not the best at making ribbons, guys. Just let you know that. I'm not, and I'm not trying to be neither. I'm just make it just where it's passable. It looks decent. So I made that one and I made this one. And I'll show you how I do that if you guys are interested. But like I said, I'm not a pro at this stuff. So, you know, you guys might be better tying those ribbons than I do. But with this one, I just do an example of what I did with this one. And it's so easy for me. So I just fold this. I just get a good amount of piece of ribbon. And I just fold it like this. Have both of the bottom part crossed like that. And this top part like this. And what I do, guys, is just, see, it looks like this. What I do is just bring this piece, this top piece, and the bottom piece. I bring it together like this. See, and it forms like that for me. And so I get a twine and just tie it around, and then I turn it over, and there's my ribbon. So that's what I do, and that's what works for me for right now. Like I said, I'm not the best, but that's what you can do for yours. And then I did the same thing for this here. And this is those mesh that you can get from Dollar Tree. And that's what I made for this one here. Flowers that I'm gonna just stick in there, just make them look pretty. I'm gonna make a couple of these to put, I don't know what I wanna, I think I wanna just put these like around the corner caddy it a little bit, like right here. And then I'm gonna have another one here, and then another one here. Like kind of going around, and it's sitting like that. Let's see how it looks, guys. I'm just flowing with it, guys, so. And then I think I'm gonna put these ones right here. I'm gonna glue it down, just the top of it, because I don't wanna cover my flowers at the bottom. So I wanna glue these like just at the top here, and that looks pretty there, so I can fill in the rest. So yeah, I think that looks good. To mention to you that these glitter ribbons I got purchased from Dollar Tree, which is pretty good price for $1. And they're very pretty. So that's what I'm gonna use for the other, that's what I use for these ribbons here. Sorry, it's time to get dark. So this is what I've been doing with these. I'm gonna put all 4 of these in the corner of here. So I'm gonna glue these together like that. And then I'm gonna glue it right here into this. More of this. Add some more of this here. Put that in between there. And then put a flower, one of these flowers on top of it. I got these from Dollar Tree as well as the roses. I want to add a flower. I'm going to add this flower right here to it. Stick that down and add that to it right there. And then I'm going to add some more flowers to these. Add on top of there. I think those look pretty. Yeah. So I just keep on going and adding flowers to this and this and this and all the way over here as well. Put another one of these, which is at the bottom here, this one here that I made. Put that on top of there and then put the flower, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side here too. This is how it should look so far. I'm gonna add some more flowers to this around here, and then afterwards I fill in the middle of it too as well, guys. So I'm gonna use these ones here that I purchased from Dollar Tree as well. Love this, the color of it. This is actually the colored themes that I'm going for this year. My Christmas tree. Put these in here and glue it in there. There like that, right there. Like I said, if you guys want to go with all white, you don't need to add these colors at all. And then add these flowers right here, and here too. Then I need one more here. So I'm gonna glue these down, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put the foam in there. If you want, guys, you can actually take it out and let it hang and hide it, kind of hide it behind these decorations here, these ribbons and stuff. You know, right behind, I'm gonna put it where it hangs right underneath this ribbon, so you really can't see it. So let me show you it with it on. So this is it so far, and let me turn it on. Ooh, it's kind of hard to see the nighttime, guys. You guys probably can't see what I see. It's so pretty. Let me, you know what, I'm gonna do a video in the daytime so you guys can see better. Strong enough where it comes right through the flowers. And it's so beautiful, guys. What I'm gonna do is add this to it and start decorating the inside. Start adding more flowers and everything to it. Make sure you get your lights out of the way so this won't be covering it up. Cut this, and then I'm not gonna keep the green on there because it's throwing it off. So I'm gonna take the green off. That's too much green. And I'm gonna do it to all of these as well. Oh, guys, look at that. That looks beautiful. Oh, I love it so far. I'm gonna add these ones here too. Okay, guys. It's nice and full now. Look at it. I love this. This is so beautiful, guys. And look. It's beautiful. I'm gonna do a full video on this so you guys can see. Let's go ahead and put our little ornaments on there. Stick them down there. Here's a tip, guys. You can actually, when you take off the flowers, I'm sorry, let me move this aside. When you take all the flowers off of these, guys, the stems that's left, you can just cut that off. And then you can actually stick your ornament, and it's a perfect fit, and it doesn't come off. So there's a tip for you. Just use those, reuse those things, so don't throw it out. Use the stems. And I'm gonna stick these in there. So I like it like that. I have some of these from Dollar Tree. I'll probably add that to it too. I love it. It's beautiful. Let me go ahead and turn on the light. Oh, lovely, gorgeous. I love the way this turned out. It's beautiful. Look at that. That's a beautiful centerpiece. I can't wait to put it on my table. Thank you guys once again for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And just remember, you've seen it first at Julie Jules World, where creativity begins. And you guys will definitely see me in my next video, okay? Looks good, guys. I love it. Bye, guys. Have a great one.